me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this like coppery gingery color on my hair today. It is a permanent dye and I started with my hair like kind of light brown, so I'm going to be showing you guys the process of me bleaching my hair and then dyeing it this color. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. If you hear any background noise, I apologize. It's just like lawn mowing and stuff going on. But anyway, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair like a ginger color. I'm going to be using this Wella light copper. It's actually been like over 2 months since I've dyed my hair, which is crazy because there was a point in time where I was dyeing my hair every week. But anyway, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I tried to like get natural lighting so that you guys could see like the true colors of my hair. My hair looks peasy right now. I haven't brushed it, so don't judge me. But anyway, I do unfortunately have to bleach it. I was really trying not to bleach it, but like if I want to do this light of a color, I have to. So as you see, my hair is like this light brown color. This is not my natural hair color. The last time I bleached my hair, the last time I dyed my hair, it was a light brown color, so I had to bleach it to get it to that color. So this color that's in my hair right now is like basically I bleached it, dyed it brown, and now it's faded out. So it looks kind of gray, and then my roots are coming in. I'm wondering if when I'm about to bleach it right now, if this part is already gonna be lighter. If so, that's great, because when I dye it, it'll give it a natural ombre without, I don't know. I feel like I'm rambling, so let's just get to the point. So I don't have a dye bowl and brush today, so if you don't either, that's fine. I'm just gonna be using a plastic Tupperware bowl and a comb. I finally have gloves today. If you guys watch any of my other videos, I never dye my hair with gloves. Like I just never have them. So like sometimes my hands would be super stained or something for a few days. Like I said, I'm going to be bleaching my hair. I have this packet of Quick Blue bleach and some 30 volume developer. If you guys haven't seen my full hair bleaching tutorial, I will include that in this video, but I'll give you guys a pretty detailed explanation today. So this packet should be good for my whole head. Hold on, I have to go cut it. Okay, so here's the packet. In the other bleaching tutorial, I am, like I said, more detailed and I give like exact measurements, but like I don't measure out stuff when I'm bleaching my hair anymore. So like this is how I do it now. It's good that I'm using a clear bowl so that you can see the consistency of the bleach. So I'm just gonna pour the whole packet in here. Okay, so now for this developer, like I said, I don't measure it out anymore. I just pour enough that's gonna make the consistency very creamy. It's always better to pour a little bit of developer and then add more as you go, because once you add too much and make it too liquidy and you don't have any more bleach, it's gonna be super runny and messy. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't wanna tilt it too much, but I poured the developer, oh yeah, so that's about how much I poured. I'm definitely gonna have to add more, but like I said, start with a little and add more. Okay, so you see how it's like thick and not drippy? This is like how you want it to be. Like I said, I'm sorry for the background noise. I think it's like people cutting the grass. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair with the comb. I feel like I should just wait till he's done. Okay, so I'm gonna go tidy this up off camera in a mirror, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks once I'm done. Okay, so here's how it looks once I put all the bleach in my hair. As you can see, it started to lighten already. So I'm gonna set a timer for 35 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks right before I rinse it out. And then I'm going to wash my hair and come back to you guys so that we can get to the fun part. Okay, so this has only been in my hair for about 25 minutes, but I think that this is as light as it's gonna get. So I'm about to go wash it out with regular shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here's how it looks once I'm done bleaching it. I know I have a giant pimple right there. Let's try to ignore her. So now we're going to be dyeing it red, and the instructions for this Wella permanent dye are to mix 1 part of this with 2 parts of developer, so basically twice as much developer as this. So I'm gonna use about half of this, like about an ounce of this, with the rest of this, which is a little under a half, about right here. And I'm gonna start with that because I would rather make more than make too much and then waste it. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna pour the rest of this. I know you guys can't really see, but I'm basically just mixing all this together. And then once I'm done mixing, I'm just going to start to apply it to my hair. And I'm gonna start around the sides and the back first. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. I was considering doing my brows too, but honestly, the way that they look filled in looks good enough for me. So yeah, this is how it came out. Let me go brush my hair. I'm looking kind of easy. I left the dye in my hair for about 30 minutes like the instructions said, and yeah, this is how it came out. I only had to bleach my hair once, as you guys saw, obviously, and I'm like in love with it. This is a permanent dye, so I'm gonna leave this in my hair for at least a month or 2. So yeah, no new hair dyeing videos coming soon, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. Definitely also be sure to follow. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Oh, okay. Definitely also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, duh. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.